Today guys, I am going to teach you how to make your own pole cord. Did you see this guys? It broke, okay? You don't need this anymore. Don't buy this, it always got broken. So all you're gonna do is buy a nylon rope the same size as the pole cord, okay? Did you see that? That's what you're gonna buy. Then you're gonna have to measure 3 feet and 2 inches. That's how long you're gonna have that's how long you're gonna need. 3 feet and 2 inches, okay? Then you're gonna turn on a fire. Lighter will work, candle will work. Then you're gonna burn the edge right here. Did you see that? You have to burn it. Once you burn it, make it like that. Okay guys, make them stick together. Okay guys, once you have it like that, you have to make 3 nuts. 1, okay, 2, make it really tight. That's 2. Oops. 2, 3. Okay guys, this is what you're gonna need. 3 nuts. Okay, once you have it like that, after that you have to use your old handle. Then you have to cut. Then the one you just made, you have to tie it together like that. Okay guys, now you have your own homemade pole start. This piece of shit, you don't need it. I mean, excuse my language. This thing, you don't need this anymore. They're junk. Like this one is junk. So I'll show it to you guys how to use this homemade pole cord. Okay, this is the finished product. You see that? That's how you do it, guys. Pole cord homemade. Don't buy this. This is junk. I'll show you how to use it. Okay guys, it used to be like that, but I remove it because this thing is junk. So all you're gonna do guys is did you see this knot that I made earlier? Can you get closer, cameraman? It would be this knot. It would be go like that. Then you have to put the rope around like that. Okay, are you getting it, cameraman? Okay, maybe you step back. Are you ready for this? Are you getting it? That's how you do it, guys. Okay, let me explain again. Come here. Let me do it again. Okay, this. Did you see this now? Are you getting this one right here? Are you? Okay. Put it around. Okay. So I had to repair it, guys, because so you guys can know what's going on here. Okay. Thanks you for watching. Subscribe. Taking get me my face. Subscribe and it's cold. Okay guys, likes and subscribe. Don't skip my video because I need money. Okay, thanks.